Understanding egomania. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to delve into a very interesting phrase in the English language, egomania. Have you ever come across this term? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Let's start by breaking the term egomania into two parts. 1. Ego. This refers to a person's sense of self-esteem or self-worth. It's how someone thinks about themselves. 2. Mania. This suffix is derived from the Greek word meaning madness or frenzy. In English, it's often used to indicate an extreme or excessive passion or obsession. Put them together, and what do you get? Egomania is a term that refers to an excessive and obsessive preoccupation with oneself. An egomaniac is someone who is excessively concerned with their own desires, needs, and interests, often neglecting or disregarding others. They tend to believe they're superior to others and may be very self-centered. Now that we know what egomania means, let's see how we can use it in sentences. 1. His constant need for attention and admiration revealed his egomania. 2. She was so caught up in her own world that some people accused her of egomania. Sometimes, it's helpful to know words that have similar meanings. Here are some synonyms for egomania. 1. Narcissism, an extreme self-love or self-admiration. 2. Self-absorption, being preoccupied with oneself and one's own affairs. 3. Vanity, excessive pride in one's appearance or achievements. Alright, learners, now you know what egomania means and how to use it in context. It's always fascinating to discover the stories behind words and phrases. Remember, understanding these nuances can really enhance your English skills. I hope you found this video helpful, and see you in our next lesson.